Say hi.
Hi.
Who do you have? Who do you have, Taylor?
Avery.
Avery. Is she waking up?
Yeah.
Does she want her hand?
Yeah.
What does that usually mean?
Use her hands when it does that.
She use her hands when she does that. Can't see her head. So, look, there's my hand. There's baby.
Hi.
Big sister.
Look at her hands when you do.
Oh.
Let's see what your hands look like when you do that.
Oh, it's a face. See, I'm waking up.
That's really cool.
Her hand. Say hi.
Hi.
Keep your hand down, Taylor. Taylor, I can't see. Say hi.
Hi. Good morning, stories. Good morning, stories. Good morning, stories.
Bye, say bye.
Bye.